Hey, what's up, YouTube? David here with Bain Customs. I am stoked to show you guys the very first Bain Customs project car. I'm so excited. I can't even wait. Let's just jump right in. We're going to be building this car, doing some custom things on the channel. So if that's something that you would like to see, please like and subscribe. This is a 2004 Subaru Impreza WRX. I'll take a quick walk around the car here and show you what we're starting with as a project.